Welcome to Supervised and Unsupervised Learning with Python by Pratik Joshi, a course by Pact Publishing. I am Todd Heppenstall, and I will be the presenter of this course. Pratik Joshi is an artificial intelligence researcher, published author of 5 books, and TEDx speaker. He is the founder of Pluto AI, a venture-funded Silicon Valley startup building an analytics platform for smart water management powered by deep learning. His tech blog, www.pratikjoshi.com, has received more than 1.2 million page views from over 200 countries and has over 6.6 thousand followers. He is an avid coder and has won many hackathons utilizing a wide variety of technologies. He graduated from the University of Southern California with a master's degree specializing in artificial intelligence. You can learn more about him on his personal website at www.pratikj.com. This course is an introduction to artificial intelligence. We will learn supervised, ensemble, and unsupervised learning algorithms. Let's look at each section in detail. The first section, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, teaches you various introductory concepts in artificial intelligence. It talks about applications, branches, and modeling of artificial intelligence. It walks the reader through the installation of necessary Python packages. The second section, Classification and Regression using Supervised Learning, covers various supervised learning techniques for classification and regression. You will learn how to analyze income data and predict housing prices. The next section, Predictive Analytics with Ensemble Learning, explains predictive modeling techniques using ensemble learning, particularly focused on random forests. We will learn how to apply these techniques to predict traffic on the roads near sports stadiums. Section 4, Detecting Patterns with Unsupervised Learning, covers unsupervised learning algorithms including k-means and mean-shift clustering. The last section, Building Recommender Systems, illustrates algorithms used to build recommendation engines. You will learn how to apply these algorithms to collaborative filtering and movie recommendations. The flow of the book is concept, example, code approach. You will learn how to make informed decisions about the type of algorithms you need to use and how to implement those algorithms to get the best possible results. For this course, you just need the latest version of Python installed on your system. So, are you ready? Let's get started with the course.